If you've seen the latest trends of faceless videos, like this one and this one that's popped off, I want to show you a software which is literally going to change the game on how you can create content for your channel, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook, or for TikTok. And you're probably thinking like faceless video, like how do I actually get into it? I don't know what to post. I don't know what niche. I'm going to cover everything in this video. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Kanji. I'm an AI marketing agency owner and I do keynote speaking on AI as well as business development. And I travel all over the world to share these insights. So I'm giving you a first hand on what the software is all about. So if you don't know already, I'm going to share this right here. This software is called Syllabi. And Syllabi is made by a good friend of mine named Austin Armstrong. And he introduced this to me when we were doing our first AI marketing and social media summit last year in 2024. And literally, I've built a channel from this. And from this, I've created these sorts of numbers. I'll just share it with right here. So what you can do with this is obviously create an account. So you can create your account through Google, you can sign in and create a free account. With a free account, you get 300 credits to test and play around with the platform. If you want to upgrade to the Essentials plan, it's about 500 credits that you get, and it's about $17 USD. So what you can do is you can discover some awesome ideas, right? So normally when you are thinking about what to post, you don't know what to post, right? So what you can do is you can go to this tab here. You can click on whatever it is that you want to look up. Maybe it's something relevant to your niche. If you do coaching, for example, so you can look up coaching. If it's something to do with marketing or AI, you can type that in. But since I've already done a theme before, so I'm going to write down spirituality. So now it's going to come up with all these different ideas, right? So it goes through Google, it has a look at what's been done before. A search volume for spirituality is quite high. So as you can see, there's 1.7 million that's looking for spirituality. The trend's going up by 2%. How does spirituality differ from religion? So there's 1.4. And you can have a look at the search volume, the trend, right? Whether it's going up, going down, the trend line. So you can see what the benefits are. So we might want to do something with that with the face of video. You've got cost per click, so it's relatively low as well. It's about $1. And the competition is quite low, so it's medium to low. So you can create a lot of videos from the spirituality genre, right? So based on this, I'm just going to go and show you a few more features. If you want to, you can also clone yourself. I haven't done this just yet, but you can clone yourself. So obviously there's different packages that you can do to clone yourself. You can craft your own voice. I like to craft my own voice, and you can do it this way. Actually, you can get it to create a voice clone. So I've done this over here, where in your videos, you're the one speaking. And it's a little bit more, how to say, you can find it a little bit more passionate and you have a little bit more energy towards it because you know it's your own voice, right? So you can craft your own voice or create your own clone here. So you can purchase your own clone. You can create a, light avatar, or you can, make your own voice as well, which is what I've done here. And it's real easy to have a look at that. You can also, this is a new feature that just rolled out recently, so you can get it to create a thumbnail, right? So for example, I've gotten this one, so I can use this one as my for the page. This one looks a little bit sus. I don't know why she's jumping up like this, but you get the gist of it, right? So based on that, you can then go to video editor. You can edit some of the videos that you uploaded previously, or you can even, so you can change the audio, the video, etc. You can have a look at the bulk scheduler as well, which is quite new. So you can bulk your faceless video posts. So for example, if you want to just do all 30 days, so you want to grab something from like ChatGPT and then create a 30-day calendar and then chuck it into the scheduler, you can do that as well. And then you also have analytics. So as you can see, this is for one of my channels. This is the one that I posted. So I got about 2,600 views on all platforms, which is quite nice. And I actually do want to check this out because I know that when I posted on YouTube and TikTok, I know TikTok did really well, but YouTube not so much. So I might want to check this out as well. So if I give a look, so you can check it, you can obviously connect your pages. You can check out what analytics you have or for each video. You have a vault of where your videos are as well. So there's all these ones that I've done for myself. And also a calendar. So you can see when you want to schedule your posts. Like for example, if I want to, I can schedule a post for today. Actually, I might do that. So I can upload video. So I can upload one from here, or I can choose a video from my videos and I can publish it that way. So if I go to publish, so I think I've done that one already. So I'll just publish. Right, so I can publish to all three of these channels, right? And then I can customize for each network, right? Which I can do right here. I can obviously suggest subscription description from AI, and then you can customize it. So then now you can customize, and then each one obviously you need to adjust, and then you can publish it or schedule it for later, right? So that's how you use the tool for scheduling your faceless videos, and you also can connect and disconnect a lot of um, the platforms too, and it gives you a recommendation of the different YouTube shorts videos, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. Right? So what I'm gonna do, because we had such a good search volume for benefits of spirituality, and the trend line is quite nice, I'm gonna create a faceless video from this. Right? So what you do is you create a faceless video. And then from here, what you can do, you can choose the style. So you can choose from a range of styles. You've got action, ancient, animated. You got Art Deco, black and white, cinematic. So like this one would be more like a comic book series one, cyberpunk, dark fantasy, digital art, vaporwave, horror fantasy. If you're doing like a horror channel, hyper realism, which is the one that I like the most. And you've got mech, you've got Western punk, you've got watercolor, biblical history, ancient India, native, psychedelic, Viking, steampunk. You got a whole bunch of stuff. And there's some new ones as well, like claymation, which is, well, this is actually quite cool, and stained glass as well. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to choose something that is a little bit spiritual. So I also like the ancient fairy tale theme. So I might choose this one for this video. You can get it to obviously auto generate. You can do add call to actions as well. So if you want to add your affiliate links or your hashtags, you can through the scheduler. So you might want to test it. So when you first create the channel, you might want to test natively and post on the platform itself, but you also want to try and see if you can schedule the post as well. The video options, you can change the English, you can change the voice, there's all these different voices that you can choose from. The subtitle style, so I use Whimsly. Obviously, you can choose a different one based on your feel. And then based on that, I'm going to save as new and I'm going to save this as spirituality. Okay, save as preset. And then now I'm going to create a script. So this is the script, right? It'll cost me a credit. I'm going to generate it. Right. Okay. So spirituality, a journey, a personal journey and exploration of meaning offers numerous benefits to enrich our life. At its core is fostered in a deep sense of inner peace by encouraging self-reflection and mindfulness. Tranquility can be significantly reduce stress and anxiety, etc., etc. What I like to do is I would like to get people to follow for more, right? So normally I have a look at this. You could, if you really wanted to upgrade the level of writing and copywriting for your video in the script, is you can put in a hook that you get from ChatGPT to put in there. Or if you really want to and you don't like the details, you can get ChatGPT or DeepSeek to check and have a look at your writing as well, right? So you can do it that way. It'll cost you 13 credits to make. There's some advanced ones as well, so you can change the subtitle, right? But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to generate it. So I'm going to generate, it's going to recommend some other ideas. So let's say you're stuck for ideas and you've got a mental block. You can choose all these other ones that you can choose from to give you more ideas based on that same topic. So the hidden secrets of spiritual awakening, spirituality, how spirituality can radically transform your life in 30 days. All these different ones that you can see, you can build a faceless video from. So once that's loading, it will come to your video vault. So it will take some time to render. So we'll let that sit and generate.
10 years later.
All right, so the video is done. So let's have a look at it. So I'm just gonna play it, and what you can do is you can have a look over here. Just move myself over here. Okay. Spirituality, a personal journey and exploration of meaning, offers numerous benefits that enrich our lives. At its core, spirituality fosters a deep sense of inner peace by encouraging self-reflection and mindfulness. This tranquility can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, promoting overall mental health. Spirituality also strengthens a sense of purpose and connection, not only with oneself, but with the universe and all living things. This interconnectedness often leads to increased empathy and compassion for others, enhancing social relationships. Furthermore, spiritual practices, such as meditation or prayer, provide tools for coping with life's challenges, encouraging resilience and personal growth. Ultimately, spirituality nurtures a profound fulfillment, guiding individuals towards a more harmonious and purposeful existence. Embracing spirituality can truly transform the way we perceive and experience life. Follow for more. As you can see, that video was literally done in a minute or two. And imagine if you had 30 days worth of faceless video content that you can post on your channels. And you can post it straight away. Once you connected all your LinkedIn, not your LinkedIn, yeah, LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube, you can actually start posting straight away. So the beauty about this tool is that it just makes content creation very easy and seamless. And I'll show you a brief of the numbers that I've gotten on my recent channel. So these are the views. All right. So I've got about 5K, 43 likes, 8 comments, and 12 shares. So this page has about like 209. Obviously, with the nuance of faceless videos, you have to choose a niche that you really are passionate about because you can choose any niche. You can choose all these different niches, and I'll share your resource in the comments and the description on what kind of niches that will help you with your faceless channel. So if you enjoyed this video and the short tutorial on how to create a channel for yourself to monetize on these different platforms, you can then use that to even sell the affiliate to Syllabi as well, where you can earn a little bit of money from that too. So I'm going to share all of that in the description. I hope you enjoyed this. If you don't know who I am again, my name is Kanji, and I'm an AI marketing agency owner and a keynote speaker. And thank you for watching again. Please subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.